I was getting a couple of complaints from guests regarding this Airbnb, so I decided to pay it a visit. So when I got there, I did end up cleaning the windows a bit because I didn't like how they looked. And then while I was here, this Airbnb hasn't had a headboard for like over 2 years, so I decided, why not put one? I got one from Facebook Marketplace and I had it delivered same day. It was like 450, and while I was assembling it, I realized that guys that were delivering this thing, the legs aren't really equal. As you can see, this side it fits very well, but this side is not tight. So I'm just gonna put something underneath to like make it go up a bit. But he did say that when because I'm not here, he'll come another day when my cleaner is here. So yeah. So I'd say that I'm going to use the headboard plastic, that wrap that came with the headboard, as my lever, so that while we wait for the guy, at least the place still has a headboard. So I did do that. During the day, I did let my cleaner clean while I went out to shop for some of the missing items and damaged items, like the vase that was, broken from a guest's stay. And then I also had a missing plug that actually plugs the TV, Android TV. And then I also had a guest that had stolen my first aid kit. Imagine. First aid kit from Pep. It's written $4.99, right? But I think it was my lucky day. Yeah. Got it for 30 rand, 29.99. My older vase that the guest did break was longer than this, so I had to like bend the roses up a bit. And then I also changed the TV remotes. And then something bad happened. I don't even know when this happened. Was it a guest? Was it the cleaner? Was it just omitted? And then boom. What is this? I didn't even see that this was somehow broken, and then now this was just used as this. And I can't leave this thing like this, because if somebody is trying to charge and then have the heater on, that's why I get the 2-pin one instead. So how in God's name? I did decide to investigate this, only to find out that one of my guests actually checked in and there was no 2-pin plug. I don't know when it got missing. My cleaner did not tell me when it went missing. So the guest said to borrow a 2-pin from somebody else, and then I guess it ended up being stuck on this thing. But luckily I did have an extra long plug to put it in. And I just continued cleaning up the shelves and clearing out everything. And then on this day, this guest had actually left a tip. It was like 20 rand, I think.